Hey guys, what's up? Sarah Jane. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. So once again, we got another cat vlog with the boys being super cute and playful. So hope you guys enjoy. So the birds are on the top of the stairs now looking and exploring. The cats are down on the bottom. Yang just climbed up the cage there to go look at them. And they are so curious. Like, they are so curious. I don't even know, like, I don't know what's going on. Why are the birds just sitting up there? They're literally sitting up there staring at them. And if you look, Tony, look at your cats.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. They're just like, what do we do? And Yank climbed up the thing to try to see them, but his fatness won out. And he didn't want to go up anymore. Tony and I are a little tired because my brother moved this weekend and we tried to paint his house. We got one room done. Just one. But we got a room done, so. He's literally sticking his tail feathers out at them. Dax is going back and forth. Well, maybe he's trying to get a better height on it. He's trying to get a better height on it. Tony. He's trying to get a better height on it. Hey, buddy, that's not attached to the... Oh my gosh. We put all of our empty bottles in here. I'm gonna fill them with water. He looks like he's gonna try to jump. Hey bud, that's not how it works. I just gotta go to bed and I don't trust you over here. Hey. Hey, don't you dare. I know what you're about to do. Don't do it. Dax. Don't do it. He's gonna climb across this whole thing and jump up.
Boy, I will.
And he's trying to figure out, I don't understand why it's such an offensive thing. And then there's Yang, who hasn't moved. He's literally just... What are you gonna do? So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.